Hi everyone, I'm Sofia from Italy, Purchasing and Marketing Manager at Arcos. Before I tell you why we are so excited to be part of the Robotic Grinding and Finishing Conference, let me introduce you who we are. Arcos has been a leader in the surface finishing industry for over 60 years. We design and build advanced solutions for robotic grinding, polishing and deburring. 6 years ago, we expanded our presence internationally by opening Arcos USA in New Jersey. Our strength lies in a high level of technological expertise, the ability to deliver innovative and reliable robotic systems, and most importantly, our strong after-sales services and continuous support. We don't just build machines, we build long-term partnerships. We are excited to attend RGFC because it gives us the chance to connect with other professionals in our field and also to stay connected with the latest advancement in robotic and tooling technologies. We would also like to take this opportunity to say a special thank you to 3M for their outstanding abrasive products. A special thank you as well to A3, the Association for Advancing Automation, for organizing and supporting such an important event for our sector. We look forward to seeing you at RGFC. Ciao!